Dr. Sofia Ikhtikar Modak, a specialist radiologist at Family Star Imaging Center, Abu Shagra, Sharjah. Pleasure to be here on 8th of November as we celebrate World Radiology. Anniversary of X-ray radiation discovered by Sir Williams Röntgen in 1895. A physicist working with vacuum tubes, that is Sir Röntgen, found his breakthrough discovery by accident. When in the lab he saw a fluorescent screen glowing despite no direct light to it. He had realized he had invented an invisible radiation that is known as X-rays today, which are capable of passing through solid objects and forming an human detailed images. His first X-ray image was of his wife's left hand with a wedding ring on it. This was the beginning of the revolution of medical imaging. Before this, the medical diagnoses were made either on OT table or unfortunately on an autopsy table. Breakthrough of imaging a human body non-invisively paved a path to success, where he combined the technologies of X-rays as well as nuclear medicine. An invention of CT scan was done, the computed tomography. The first CT scan took 30 minutes to form and make an image of single slice brain. It is now that we have ultra-fast CT scans which can produce a 3D image within seconds. On the other hand, we have non-radiating imaging modalities like MRI and ultrasound. Ultrasound is the preferred imaging modality in pregnancies, as it is the safest for the mother as well as fetus. Detecting a heartbeat at 6 weeks and tracking fetal growth throughout the pregnancy, ultrasound is an indispensable prenatal care. It plays a vital role in detecting early abnormalities, giving time for intervention and treatment. It plays a key role in detecting early abnormalities, allowing timely intervention and treatment. MRI, the magnetic resonance imaging, it produces detailed and exquisite images. It is essential for abnormalities and pathologies in brain, spine, joints, and any other body part. The surgeons, orthopedists, and other specialty rely on imaging modality to make an informed decision before going ahead with the procedure or surgeries. Over 129 years, radiology has become an indispensable specialty where we follow ALARA, that is as low as reasonably achievable. That minimizes the radiation exposure to the patient as well as keeping adequate diagnostic accuracy. As a radiologist, I feel privileged to be part of this vital and ever-evolving department. I thank all my colleagues for their dedication and commitment to this field. Thank you all, and let's continue to work together to make our patients' life better.